So we are now going to our boarding gate. 107 kami guys. And it's still past 1. Nasa Kumbag yata. It's still past 1 and our flight is at 5:55. So we're so early. At mabait yung immigration namin. I mean immigration officer. Thank you, Lord. We are already here at gate 107 and we're waiting for our flight. Well, our flight is at 5:55 and it's still 2:20. We're so early. So better early. Bitaw oy. Ha, lumagpas siguro yung information guys. Ito pala guys yung dala naming bag because I am planning to hike tomorrow sa Lion Rock. Then yun yung bag. Last meal here in the Philippines, we have sisig and arroz caldo guys. Guys, we are now boarding the plane. It's on time, 5:15 in the morning.
Knowledge by raising your hand or approach any of our cabin crew. Thank you.
Hey guys, we just landed and we will wait for the train to transfer us from the airport to still the airport. So, kukunin pa namin yung aming baggage. Train is approaching. Let's go inside the train. Taas kayong escalator. Hey guys, nakuha na naman ang baggage. So we will go to A13 to get our octopus card. Guys, eto nakapagpalit na kami ng Hong Kong dollars. This is 1,500. Tapos maglo-load kami for our octopus card. Let's go to the bus station. Airport Express tsaka bus. Nasa left side siya, guys. Welcome to Hong Kong! Hello guys! Naalami sa bus palulong sa Shun. And ako masa is $34. So, namin sa second floor. So, second floor. Guys, we are at the second floor of the bus. Ayan siya, ang daming bus dito. Tsaka, parang yung pagitan, 10:28, tapos 10:30, 10:40 yung isa. Parang yun lang yung pagitan ng So, dali na po siya pangitaon, guys. We're going now. Hello, Hong Kong!
路係青嶼幹線，由兩組分別跨越黑水嘅汀九橋，係全球其中一條最長嘅斜拉橋。
Respectively. Since Chima Bridge was open for traffic, the 2.2 kilometers long as the world's second longest road and rail suspension bridge. State Bridge and a major component of Route 3, linking the Northwest New Territories.
名胜之一，黑泽桥是全球其中一条整个区的3号干线主干。
Guys, from the airport, once na nakasampa na kayo sa bus, you check the Google and you Google your location, makikita nyo kung pang ilang stop yung place na pupuntahan nyo. At dito pala po, nagstay po kami sa Chungking Mansions. Marami pong nag-i-stay dito ng mga Filipino at marami ding nag-work na Filipino. But downstairs, may mga Pakistani at I think mga Indians na nagtitinda. Marami ding money changer sa part na to. Guys, let's go to 7-Eleven on the first day. Let's look for some food.
Ito, chicken na rin.
Dili na may usahay katong kuan katong naay curry tara. Kana ata na agad. Guys, 2 for 58 pesos, around 400. Actually, day. Ha?
Muli ning street.